Okay, so here is the best way on how to connect Runna app to Garmin watch. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So connecting Runna app to Garmin watch is very easy and simple. What you have to do is just simply go over to your apps section, and right over here you gotta type in Runna app. So I've already downloaded this app. You just gotta go ahead and open it up. Once you open this app, as you newly download it, you gotta log in it first. If you haven't logged in, you'll see two options of sign in and log in. You just gotta go ahead and sign or log in with your Gmail or whatever account you want to use. But then what you have to do once you're inside this main menu, what you have to do is simply press on your avatar on the corner, which says your name or any picture that you're using. Just go ahead and press on that. And right over here, you'll see a few options, but you just gotta go ahead and scroll down until you see the option of connected apps and devices. Just go ahead and press on this option. And right over here, you'll see a few more options, just like applications, Health Connect, and right over here, you'll see the option of watches. Just go ahead and press on connect watches. And right over here, you'll see 4 watches. But for this video's purpose, we're using Garmin's watch, and you want to connect Garmin watch. Just go ahead and press on Garmin Connect. And right over here, it will show you the Garmin watch. So just go ahead and press on sync to Garmin, and it will take you to its main Garmin website. Now right over here you just gotta simply sign in, and the process is pretty straightforward after this. And yeah, you just gotta sign in and then connect your Garmin watch to your other app. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.